smells like a cow, make sure you tell her. She needs to know that stuff. Never compare a woman to anything else. She will take it the wrong way. Never push a woman. She might trip, fall, and die. Then you'll be in court. When you decide to cook for a lady, make sure you don't accidentally dump cyanide in it like you did the last time. Do not set her on fire. When you're trying to have a romantic dinner, make sure the candlelight doesn't burn her face off. Make sure you don't break her glasses. She might get ran over by a bulldozer that's carrying a cat giving birth to a T-Rex. Always have fire in the background. Buy her food. Don't buy her roses. She might be allergic to them. Don't face her in pedal fights. Last time I did, someone put a brick in my pedal and no one's seen her since. Don't give her a donut. She might think you're calling her fat. Buy her a trapper hat. Don't try to impress her. You'll just break another ligament again. Never steal my girl. And if you do,
This has been Rank's Tips on Dating for Men.